and subscriber, welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for being a part of today's video, guys. Today's video is gonna be a roast chicken video. So you know, outdoor, but I have to come up with something for roast it outdoor, so which I'm really excited about doing it. But before I jump into today's video, I'm asking you for 3 small favors. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscription button and hit the like button, and also remember to share the videos with your friend, your family, your mother, your uncle, your sister, your auntie, everybody. Just done clean up the chicken, wash it with some vinegar, of course. So I'm gonna cut up the season them and I'm gonna blend them, because you know you're gonna roast the chicken, so basically you want the season to marinate and penetrate the chicken. So this is how I do it, which I blend out the season. And so I'm gonna walk you through the step of how I do the marination of the whole of chicken. So for the marination of the chicken, I'm gonna use a green pepper, onion, scallion, garlic, ginger, some thyme, some carrot, and I'm gonna use some cracked pimento seed. Now add the seasoning in the blender, get them blend. So I'm just using just small amount of water. Normally you can use some cooking oil. So I'm adding in the carrot. So I'm just gonna use small amount of water to do the blending. Normally you could use some cooking oil, but I'm choosing to use just roughly a small cup of water. Guys, finishing product of the blended season. So I'm just gonna add it all over the chicken. And for powdered season, I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of Maggi all-purpose season. I'm using some soya sauce, some cracked pimento seed, and also 1 tablespoon of paprika. So I'm just gonna rub it in the season now. It have enough seasoning before I actually add any additional seasoning to it. So the chicken is looking real good. So I'm just done rubbing in the season of the chicken, and then I just taste the season to make sure that it is not too salt, or if it need any additional seasoning. So because I have time on hand, so I'm gonna just make it go and marinate for a couple of hours. But normally if a person want to do the roast chicken, I recommend they can even marinate the chicken from overnight, because the longer the chicken have been marinated for, it is much more better for the chicken. Onion, scallion, thyme, chicken noodle to cook the rice. So I go show you how me cook the rice, and then after I cook the rice, I make it cool off. Then I stuff some item in the chicken and sew him up or wire him up, anyone you prefer. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I go and drink 1 cup of tea before I start the video. So guys, it is 24 hours I not get to do the vlog, because there was just a little party keeping close to my yard, and the noise the music was so loud. So you know how YouTube come down with them copyright and the infringement, so I have to withdraw from doing the vlog yesterday. So the chicken are marinated for 24 hours. You know what I say? Season well soaked. So right now this is what we call season to the bone. So I go cook some seasoned rice. And at the seasoned rice I go use the stuff inside of the chicken. So the water boil up and now I cook the seasoned rice. I go add some butter. I'm going to add some scallion, garlic, tomato, thyme. I'm going to use some braised chicken noodle. Cook the seasoned rice. So as I was explaining before, the seasoned rice, I'm going to cool off some of it. I'm going to use it to stuff the chicken. I add the rice in the pot and I'll put it. Let it go and simmer down. Woo! That smells good. My goodness. Seasoned rice. Yeah man, I know no one see in a pot. I go show them man. No worry yourself. I make you see in a pot. No one see it. Come on, so see here. Real seasoned rice. This is a pig. Seasoned rice done cooked. I'm going to show it to a little plate and make it go and cool the stuff in the chicken. You see the chicken well marinated. And this is the rice that I'm going to stuff inside of the chicken. So I use a small piece of stainless steel wire just to bond the foot of the chicken. Stuffing the rice, and in the meantime the fire, guys, it's a new style which it's the first I'm actually gonna do it to, so something new, like with the outdoor roasting of chicken. So hopefully it turned out good. Chicken belly full of rice now. Stuff all of the rice in. This is the iron that I'm going to use. You see the handle, so I'm just cleaning it off. I already washed it off already, but just ensure so I wipe off it. So I go push him the iron from the top straight through the chicken and make a hitch. People, this is alright, that's why the chicken is roast. That's how we are roasting. Yes, real for cooking. And I will add some pimento leaf along with some pimento stick under the fire. Put some of the green pimento stick under the fire. Add flavor to the chicken. So when you're ready to turn, you will just take time and turning just like that. You see that, folks? That's how it is going to be done today. Always coming up with something new. Guys, so the chicken is coming on real good. Can you see that? I've been roasting this chicken about 2 hours now just for it to looking like this. So you see the pimento leaf under the bottom, so it adding the flavor to the chicken. So I'm gonna make the base sauce for it now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make the base sauce that I'm gonna use to base the chicken. So for the base sauce, I'm gonna use some soy sauce. I'm gonna use some honey. And some Grace tomato ketchup. And some Grace pineapple ginger juice. So I'm gonna add some in, and I'm gonna whisk it because I don't want it to the base to be too thick. Hold on guys, I'm gonna get the whisk and whisk the sauce in. So I'm just whisking out the sauce, which is the base sauce. So I'm gonna add some more of the Grace pineapple. And sauce is looking good. Trust me, I dream on the roast chicken. Guys, I'm gonna use the paintbrush to base the chicken. Just make it take it on a time and make the sauce stick on the chicken. When Caribbean vibes cooking, guys, so I go spinning now. I go spin it, add the base on the chicken. I put on the plate right there, so. Yeah, man. Right now, I know that some of them out to run water right now, you know. So, I say some of them right now out to run water. Some of these are chicken. You know. So, add some more of the pimento leaf. I know the pimento leaf add a whole heap of flavor right now in the chicken. Even we can't wait for this chicken done, you know, man. I swear. Guys, basically I'm putting on the second coat of sauce on the chicken. Just adding some more flavor and spice. To the chicken. eat couple more minutes because apparently it done roast now. Guys, can you see that? Can you see the sauce dripping from the chicken? Guys, look at the bottom wing. I couldn't but help myself but break off piece of the wing. But it's coming on pretty good, so I'm just waiting on it to finish up. Yes guys, we're checking back on the chicken. Guys, apparently I'm on my belly laying down just getting all of these good shots and this good recording for you guys. Guys, look at the sauce. Look at the juice dripping from the chicken. Look at that. So guys, Caribbean Vibes Cooking did it again, another great one coming your way. So I'm adding some more base sauce onto the chicken. You guys can see the texture of the sauce on the chicken and the coating. So this is the final coating of sauce I'm putting on it. So I'm letting the sauce simmer and the chicken simmer down. Yep. That's it, people. Guys, so the chicken done roast. Guys, please like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, you know what to do. Please consider subscribing and turn on your post notification. So when I upload a content, you will be the first to receive the content from my channel. Guys, so this is the roast chicken, but me just garnish it with some green pepper and tomato and just chop up some onion, just place on the top of it.